Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so can you tell me, have you prepared something till now on your own?
I have made Maggie, ma'am.
Oh wow, that's really nice.
Ma'am, I have made some cakes.
Wow, very nice. So this class will be interesting for you because I'm going to show you how to make a cake with a biscuit.
Okay.
So
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
ready? Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So first we are going to see how we can bake a biscuit cake with marigold biscuit. So I'll just quickly tell what all we need, and if you have things ready or if you can quickly collect all the ingredients. So first we need marigold biscuit. Yeah, and then we need some ghee or butter.
Okay.
Then we need powdered sugar, cocoa
Ma'am,
powder.
can we use normal sugar, ma'am?
Powdered would be better, but in case you don't have, that's also fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we need cocoa powder.
Yes, and butter.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Cocoa powder, we can use 2 packets of coffee. And
Yeah, we need coffee also, but if you use more of coffee, then it will be a little better. So if you like it, then that's fine.
I will use little bit of coffee only.
Yeah, we need coffee powder. And we need some milk, a bowl of milk. So you have all your ingredients ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so let's quickly get started.
Yeah. Tiger is national animal of India.
So I have taken milk in the bowl. You can take milk.
It is a wild animal.
You need to add 2 spoons of powdered sugar in that. So this is my sugar. So I'll show you all my ingredients before I start. This is my cocoa powder. This is ghee. This is coffee powder. And this is milk. So I'm adding 2 spoons of sugar to the milk. And next is 1/4 teaspoon coffee powder. Then mix it properly. So we've added coffee powder and sugar to the milk, and we are mixing it well.
Ma'am, we have to mix coffee and the sugar.
Yeah, in a bowl of milk. You've taken milk, right?
Ma'am, I can make one in the glass.
Yeah, you just have to mix. You can take a glass also, no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Savi, you have to take a bowl. It will be difficult to dip a biscuit in that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, we can wait. You can just quickly take a bowl.
Ma'am, sugar and cocoa both 2 spoons.
No, sugar and coffee. 2 spoons sugar and little bit of coffee. 1/4 spoon.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So once you mix all the ingredients, you need to take the marigold biscuit and dip it properly in the milk, what you've just mixed like this. And you just need to take one butter paper or any aluminium foil, something of this kind, or any plastic, and you have to dip the biscuit, and one by one you have to stack it on this.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see the biscuits.
Yeah.
Can you do it in front of the camera? The one that you're stacking.
Yeah, so this is my bowl and these are the biscuits. I'm dipping one by one. So you can take up to 6 to 8 biscuits. And you have to place them like this, one above the other. I'll wait for a minute for others to complete it.
Ma'am, how many biscuits we need?
6 or 8 you can take.
Okay, ma'am.
Now what we are going to do is, in another bowl, you'll take 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, like this, 1 and 2, and 4 spoons of sugar. I'm repeating, 2 spoons of cocoa powder and 4 spoons of powdered sugar. And mix them well.
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
Yeah, 2 spoons of cocoa powder and 4 spoons of powdered sugar. To this, we will add the ghee, 3 spoons of ghee.
Ma'am, how much spoons of ghee?
First, we'll mix 3 spoons and then we have to make it into a thick paste. If it is less, then we need to add more.
Okay, ma'am.
So it will become a thick paste like this. So now what we'll do is we have this biscuits, right, which we have dipped in the milk. We will pour this paste over it like this. Once you pour the paste onto the biscuits, it will appear something like this. I'll wait for you to complete.
What we do after this now?
Yeah, so we have to freeze this for 2 hours. We have to wrap it. So you can take a plastic or aluminum foil or butter paper or anything, and this way you have to wrap it up like this completely and deep freeze it for 2 hours. So I will show you how it looks after 2 hours. So after 2 hours it will be something like this after you freeze it. So I'll show you how to cut it now. So the chocolate will be completely coated and it will be freezed. So it will appear like this. Now we have to cut it into pieces. So once you cut into pieces, it will look something like this.
Looks very delicious.
Yeah, it's very yummy, especially for the kids. Sugar. We need vanilla ice cream. And we need a glass of milk. So first I've taken one Oreo biscuit. You can, with the help of spoon, you can grind this. This is a spoon and this is a biscuit. If you press it with a spoon, so this is my glass of milk. So I am adding this powder of the Oreo biscuit to the milk. Then we have to add a spoon of sugar. Mix it well. Now I will add vanilla ice cream to this. 2 spoons. So we've added everything what all we wanted. So we've added powdered Oreo biscuit. We've added 1 spoon of sugar and we've added vanilla ice cream. So if your milk was cold, we can drink it directly. Otherwise, you can keep it in the fridge for 15-20 minutes. Now there's one more step which we need to do. If you have someone else to help you, we can use your hand grinder and you can just use a wash machine or you can just make a good shake. So we've learned 2 things today. One is the biscuit cake with the marigold biscuit. And another thing what we've learned is the Oreo milkshake. So Oreo milkshake, you can taste it right away. But for biscuit, you will have to wait for another 2 hours. And I'm sure you'll really like it.